So currently, on our faceless content journey, we are one step behind actually generating the script of our first video. Now, up until this point, you as the student of this course, this class right here, you should have know exactly which niche you want to target and be ready mentally for your first script to be generated. Now, here's the thing. I am not here to show you how to create one viral video or just one faceless video. The most important factor, in my opinion, for you to have a fun time in this faceless content journey of yours is longevity. And this is why I actually included this installment, this lesson right here in this course. In this lesson, we're not only going to be setting foundation for the next lesson, which we're going to be creating the script of our videos, but we're going to be creating together a script formula that first of all applies to all niches, right? And you can be using again and again and again and again for all of the different videos that you create. This script formula is going to be your golden ticket to pretty much never run out of video scripts, right? Because it is based and structured after, again, viral elements that we have extracted from other videos. Now, in my case, which again, I'm demonstrating this whole approach to you guys, I've only used 2 viral videos, but as I mentioned in previous lessons, you can use as many viral videos as you want to give better data to GPT, so you can also extract a better viral formula. So this is a very dynamic process right here of us collaborating with ChatGPT. So enough of this introduction, let's actually go ahead and create our viral script formula before we actually go ahead and create the scripts. This is the prompt that we're going to be using. It is the prompt to generate a reusable script template based on the viral formula. We already created the so-called viral formula. This is it right here. We got the viral hook, right? We got the story structure, how the video progresses, and we have the clip and visual formula. Finally, we have the length and pacing formula, and this is the viral, let's say the final viral template that we're going to be using right here. We got a hook template, a story template, right? A text and caption behavior, and an audio formula. So let's actually go ahead and copy this prompt and paste it to GPT. So it says, using the viral formula you extracted earlier, create a faceless content script generator that includes a hook line template, a storyline template, voiceover structure, visual instructors, on-screen text ideas, paste notes, and a final CTA template aligned with the tone of the formula. Keep every field fillable so I can use it for different topics, right? I'm going to copy this, paste it to GPT, and let's see what we will gain out of this prompt right here. So below is your master prompt, a fully reusable fill in the blanks script generator that follows the exact viral formula we extracted, right? So let's see. This is the viral faceless script generator prompt, right? So you copy paste, you fill in the blanks, and you get a full ready to produce script. This is the prompt start. I want you to generate a faceless viral short form script using the following structure and formula. Fill all templates based on my topic, and then you will insert your topic. This could be, for example, cinematography, camera work. Let's say it could be running a marathon. It could be literally the topic that you choose for your faceless content journey. And I want you to remember like what we talked about in the previous lessons of this course around validating a niche and validating a topic, right? So use the viral format below. Hook lines, right? Choose one. Generate 3 hook variations following this structure: curiosity and emotion and clear context with visual and textual contrast on screen. Template. So these are the templates, right? Insert shocking, strong claim related to the topic. No one's talking about it. If you've ever insert relatable experience, here's why it happens. Or this insert objection behavior looks normal until you understand, insert this, all right? And then we have the timestamped storyline template. Follow the viral short arc formula, so setup, pattern, payoff, right? So this is the hook moment from second 0 to second 2. We got the on-screen title, the visual contrast, right, with the split screen, intense motion, symbolic image, right? And then we have a setup, explain what the viewer is seeing, yada, yada, yada. And this right here is pretty much like the whole script of the video. And this is, again, the script writing template. We will be creating the script and everything on the next video of this course, right? So we have the voiceover script architecture too. So follow the system, hook line, setup, mini beat 2, mini beat 3, payoff, right? Use language that is punchy, conversational, emotional, or curiosity driven. And then we have visual instructions too. We got B-roll, stock footage type, right? Animation style, key motion cues. And based on this template right here, we will have a super easy to follow guide on exactly what we need to again do to create a plug and play awesome faceless video, right? Finally, we have the pacing nodes. So again, create pacing guidelines based on the niche, hook, setup, pattern, payoff, loop, right? And a final CTA table. Follow for more, save this if you're late. One part two, just say continue. If this hits you, share it with someone. And this is the prompt end. This is a huge prompt right here. I'm copying the whole prompt right now. Let me copy this prompt, all right? Prompt start, prompt end. And I'm going to be pasting it right here for you guys to be able to generate and use actually whenever you want. So this is the prompt start, prompt end. This is a huge prompt, and we will also be using this in the next lesson of this course when we're actually going to be, first of all, choosing a demonstrative niche for us to target, and second of all, actually starting with the script, because the most important thing is actually have a script before you start constructing your faceless video. So now that we have the viral faceless script generator prompt ready, it is time to actually generate the script of our first video. And this is exactly what we're doing in the next lesson of this course. So I'm super excited to have you here. See you in the next lesson.